This is Masoom, co-founder of MS Web Designer. We are Shopify certified experts for more than 5 years. We have 1,000 plus happy clients across the globe, and we always try to make e-commerce better for everyone. We're expertised in strategy and branding, Shopify store setup, re-platforming, and borderless e-commerce. Today in this new year 2020, we are very much excited to announce the launch of our sister company Task4Store for a variety of small tasks. Sucharita from Task4Store team is there to explain better about the small tasks.
Thank you, ma'am. Well, first things first, what is a small task? Any task that can be done on your store in 1 hour is a small task. Every Shopify store owner needs these small tweaks on their store before or after launching their store to improve their conversions and enhance the user journey. For example, adding custom fonts, theme tweaks, adding custom collection banners, product reviews, product description tabs, mouse hover or image slider, adding custom collection banners, gift wrapping, donation feature, and many other such features to optimize your product page, streamline your collection page, customize your cart page, and manage your homepage even better. Task4Store.com offers 150 plus Shopify small tasks on demand. To know more, simply log on to Task4Store.com and stay tuned to this channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.